Hello there, Leo. Welcome to the channel. This is Lady of the Throne, and I am here with your July 1st through the 15th love guidance. I appreciate you all for being here, and I hope that you're open to the spiritual guidance and messages that are here for you today. And I hope to guide you guys in the right direction. So if you are new, thank you for watching, and make sure to hit that thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, subscribe to the channel. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe. You don't want to miss this. General readings, love readings, all of that is here for you guys. And if you're interested in going deeper, for the love guidance, I do offer extended versions of this where we go way deeper and we look beyond the surface. We uncover some secrets and some very helpful tips and advice that is needed for you and this person to come together or to work things out. So if you are interested in that and learning what you really should do at this point in this connection, go ahead and get that extended. The link is down below in the description box. So Leo, let's get started. How do you feel about your person of interest? So you guys feel distracted by this person in a good way, in like the best way. Love is playful during this time. Something about this connection makes you laugh, or it seems fun, or this person's trying to get back on your good side. So they could be doing things to make you laugh, to make you enjoy yourself. This person is interested in you, and I feel like they want to introduce you to a new vibe within this connection. They want it to feel more playful. They want you to feel like you can really let your hair down and that you can have fun. They want you to experience a new wave of abundant love from them. So they want to help you cope with life's stresses and relieve your worries. So they want you to pour all of your problems on them and lighten your load by taking things out on them. Yeah. They want you to take all of your frustration out on them. And I feel like this person is just like, you know what? Beat me up. They're just like, beat me up. Do what you got to do because I'm sorry. But they're doing this because they know that they've messed up, but they also know how much they really, really do love you and how much they really do want to be in your life, I feel. So this person could be into a sexy or romantic trip that they have planned for you. Maybe for some of you, they've even bought the clothes they want you to wear for this trip. But it's like this person wants to get together with you to work things out. They want some closeness with you. They want to spend time with you. They want to be around you. And they're gonna be like buttering you up. I'm telling you right now. I'm getting a whole lot of buttering you up here. Now, your person of interest and how they feel about you. It seems like they feel a lot of ways because even with your feelings, I'm explaining their feelings. So it means that this person's way more into you right now, which is a really good thing. I think that this person feels like it's a great time of the year to manifest you back into their life. They just want you back. For a lot of you, this is someone that you already know. For some of you, this is a new person and they just want you to be in their life. So this is like the greatest opportunity that this person feels like they have. Maybe they've caught you at a time when you're finally single and you don't have anyone, and they've caught you at the perfect time. Or maybe now they're single and they don't have anyone and they're ready to move forward with you. So this may be an opportune time to move forward with you. They love your resilience with them, with this connection, and the way your heart works. They pay attention to the way you love. They pay attention to what you fight for, the things you say, how strong you are, how strong you've been through everything that even they've put you through. They pay attention to these things. They feel like you never give up on love. You never give up on them. This makes you seem really loyal in their eyes. And so this person is no longer afraid to take a risk with you because you have settled their little heart and made them feel like it is safe to love you and to trust you because you're loyal. So they want to make everything better with you at this time, and they want to come in proving to you that they do want to be in your life. That's what I'm getting here. Wow. Now, how do you see this person? The way you see them, Leo, is someone who should rediscover their childlike energy. Because I feel like you really want this person to let their hair down too. You really want them to enjoy themselves, have fun. You're loving the playfulness that this person has towards you. You want this side of them to show. You want more of this. You want them to be happy. You wish that they were always like this, because there's a lightheartedness about this person during this time that you admire. And maybe this person's finally feeling good about things and bringing positive energy your way instead of being down or depressed. For some of you, you're dealing with a person who honestly deals with a mental health issue. This person has some type of depression, or maybe they have ADHD or ADD or something like that. But I am getting that. Or they could be bipolar. But this individual is someone who suffers from some type of depression, and it keeps them from being content or being happy or being at peace. But the one constant thing that this person has going in their life that does make them happy is their children. Their children really makes them happy. So you may see this person being fond of children in general or their own children, and that is what is making them feel playful and happy. And they radiate a nurturing quality about themselves. And you see this person going back to their original essence of who they are, with all of their enchantment and beauty that you see inside of their soul when they're surrounded with their kids, especially. So for a lot of you, children brings out the best in this person. For a lot of you, that's what you see. It's something about them that you like when they are around kids. Or maybe recently you have noticed them being around kids or a child or a family member, or a little sister, a little brother, like whatever it was or whatever it is. Something about that connection really changed the way you see them. It brought out a different side of you that you love. For some of you, it brought out your favorite side of them, right? For others of you, this is about you being maybe wanting to have a child with this person. Or if you're a male Leo listening, then you could be wanting to impregnate this person. Maybe you see this person with children. Maybe you want to have a child with them. So there is an energy of motherhood, children. It can be describing a personality trait, or it could be describing a desire that someone wants. So how do they see you? Leo, they see you as the one with the bleeding heart. Aww. What that means is that you have such an empathic personality and aura. You can feel things on a very deep level, and your feelings and emotions oftentimes get attached to people who need healing. And because you have a natural healing spirit, you have allowed this person to become attached to you and stay and linger around in your life. And you guys have created something together, or built something together, or had a connection that lasted a while because they needed your energy. You help this person because they're normally a very emo type of... This person gives me a vibe like they're emo, they're dark, they're... Something about this person is sus, right? And so you just feel like, oh my gosh, I sound like my little sister. So you feel like, this is someone who has another side, but being around you lightens the mood for this person. You lighten them up, you brighten them up, and they needed that. And so they kind of like latch on to you, because you make them feel happier. And so because of that, it's like you're seen as a healer to this person and in their eyes. But you're wounded though. It's like, yeah, you're a healer because that's what God naturally birthed you to be. But you have been through wars. Even in the midst of everything. You are like the nurse at the war zone, out with the troops in the Middle East. You're bleeding, trying to help other people that are bleeding. You're hurt trying to help other soldiers. So like this person's a soldier of love. And you're the night nurse. Only you alone. Okay, you're the night nurse. Something about that. You're a nurse. And you're healing this person. Wow, this is interesting. You're a nurse and you're healing this person, and they are a soldier. Like they've been harsh. You know how military are trained like to be cold and rigid and like just militant and obedient and brave and fight? That's how this person was raised, or all they know is tough love. But you have come in with this beautiful energy, and you've like showed them such a more warm and nurturing side of life that they can't just like, they can't stay away from you because of that. So this person sees you as pursuing them. Like they see that you've been hurt, bruised, and battered emotionally. Hopefully not physically, but they see that you've been through a lot of stuff emotionally in your past or whatever. So they see you kind of like chasing them, if that makes sense. Even if you're a female, this could be your twin soul. You could be in a runner chaser dynamic, and they see you always chasing their love. But that's because you're so used to being wounded by people that sometimes you didn't realize that you don't have to always chase what you want, that what you want can just come to you. So this person kind of plays on that energy just to get your attention and just to get you to come back and heal them again. So you have to be careful with this person, because some people don't come to you for real love or true love. Some people come to you so that you can try to patch them back up. And when you've patched them up and healed them, they're back up and going back out there trying to blow somebody's head off again. And it turns into a crazy situation. And then here you go, losing a limb because you're trying to help them. You know, so it's like you can't really overextend yourself. And this person knows that you've suffered a lot on this emotional journey with them, but they know that you can be healed. It's like, how do they think, or how do you think, Leo, that you're able to sustain your role as the healer in everyone's life? If you can heal others, that means you've got to be able to heal yourself. So yes, I do feel like you have the power and the ability to heal yourself, because you have become more conscious of what your destiny is. Something tells me that your destiny is to be a healer. You're supposed to heal. But every healer gets hurt, especially when you allow someone into your life that needs the healing but doesn't know how to fully repay you because they don't have the same type of heart. They don't have the same type of heart. So you guys could be twin souls and have like the same soul, but the heart is different. You guys had to experience two totally different things in your reality. So this person sees you listening to music a lot. That's therapeutic for you. They know that you love to listen to music. If this person is a musician, then they are aware that you're listening to their music a lot during this time. This person knows that you're able to offer them the support and the protection that they need. Okay? But they want you to start looking beyond your wounds, looking beyond the things that hurt you in the past, Leo. And they want you to start seeing yourself as more of a healer. Have more prestige about being a healer, though. Have more honor for what you do. And don't think that they're trying to just use you until you can't heal anymore. I don't think that they really want you to feel like that. Even though they play on this strength that you have, but they also need this. and they know that this is for their highest good. So what I got a lot more I want to tell you about. We're going to resolve this issue. Get the extended. Thank you.